Hi everyone and welcome to the second tutorial of Capcut video editing, and in this video we are going to edit our photo and video. In previous video we have talked about all the components of the Capcut, so let's jump into our project that we have created earlier. So you can see this is the timeline on which I am scrolling right now. So what you have to do is there are a few things which you have to do. For example, if you have this photo, okay, first of all you have to change the aspect ratios. So if you move the slider, you can see here I have a ratio button. From here I have different aspect ratios. Generally we are using 9:16 or 16:9. The 9:16 is basically for portrait, and the 16:9 is basically for landscape. If you have a video of a landscape, then you can use 16:9, and if you have a portrait video, then you have to use it like 9:16. This is the very important step before doing anything. Okay, so I have the photo of 9:16, so I will select the 9:16 aspect ratio. And now the next step is how I can split the file. For example, if I have a file right here, and if I want this file from here to here, and I don't want the next part, I will move my cursor right here and click on this split button. You can see when you click, you have let me undo it. You can see when I click on this file, it will automatically create a border around it. So if I want this file to be right here, I will click on this split button, and it will split the file into two equal halves. So I can just click on the second one and move the slider and click on the delete button, and it will delete the file for me. Okay, in this way you can split the file. And if I want to increase the time of the file, let's suppose if I have on the top I have the time, and if I want this file to be like 10 seconds, I will just hold it and drag it right. You can see here I have the time on the top. Let's say I want it to be like 5 seconds. Okay, I will hold and drag this to like 5 seconds. Okay, so you can see if I play this video, it will be played like 5 seconds. Okay, in this way you can increase or decrease the size of your video. Okay, the next thing is you can actually adjust the cover. You can also create or upload your own cover. Cover is basically the thumbnail of your video. You can see here I have a cover option. If I click on it, I can change my cover by sliding the video from here to there, and I can add text or something else if I want from here. So this way you can edit the cover from here. Okay, this is basically the split and the increasing or decreasing the timeline of the file. So what if we want to add some more files in the video? We will click on the plus button, and I have the same library open in which I can export or import the file. Let's suppose I want this file again, and I will click on the add button, and it will import the file for me. You can see I have this file and then this file. I have these two files, and in this way you can import as much files as you want. Let's suppose I have this top videos right here. If I click on this one and click on add, it will add this video file for me. So in this way you can add multiple files in the video. And if I click on this import button and click on it, and it will start rendering the file, and you will see I have a 5-second video at the start, and after that I have that video which I imported, and then that third video.